Hey guys, अस्सलामुअलैकुम तो सारे जो खैर मकदम सैनिस अकिस नविस पॉडकास्टस में जो आज का पॉडकास्ट है ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है बिकॉज दिस इज समथिंग जो मेरे इंटरेस्ट का था व्हेन आई वाज बैक इन दुबई आई यूज्ड टू हैव अ वेरी नॉर्मल जॉब 9 to 6 करता था अपना फैसिलिटी मैनेजमेंट था बट जब मैं वहाँ पे सोशलाइज करता था आई सॉ लॉट ऑफ कश्मीरी हु वर इनटू रियल एस्टेट बिजनेस तो उनके पास बड़ी-बड़ी गाड़ियाँ, मस्टैंग, जीप, रैंगलर ये सारी चीज़ें चलाते थे। और जब मैं उनसे पूछता था यार इतना सारा पैसा, इतनी लैविश लाइफ़ कैसे तुम लोग करते हो? एंड दे यूज्ड टू से तुम आ जाओ रियल एस्टेट बिज़नेस में, तुम्हें समझ में आ जाएगा। लेकिन ये इतना आसान भी नहीं है। मतलब रियल एस्टेट सेलिंग प्रॉपर्टीज़ इट्स नॉट अ पीस ऑफ केक। और ऐसे ही हमारे पास एक शख्स है जिनसे मैं आपको मिलवाना चाहता हूँ। लेकिन पहले बात करते हैं कश्मीर की। जो कश्मीर का जो रियल एस्टेट है इट्स वर्क्स इन अ वेरी ओल्ड ट्रेडिशनल फैशन। बहुत ही अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड है। अब बात करते हैं अरीब की जो मेरे साथ इस पॉडकास्ट में है। ही हैज़ वर्कड इन मल्टीपल मार्केट्स। ही वाज देयर इन दुबई सेलिंग प्रॉपर्टीज, सेलिंग टू एनआरआई क्लाइंट्स। He was there investing in FDIs. He was in Bangalore. He was selling lot of properties there as well. तो इसने हाई एंड क्लाइंट्स के साथ काम किया है, एक प्रोफेशनल सेटअप में काम किया है और इसके पास जो एक्सपोजर है इट्स अमेजिंग। अब क्या हो रहा है इन रीसेंट ईयर्स आई हैव ऑब्जर्व लॉट ऑफ यंग कश्मीरी जिन्होंने बाहर काम किया है, प्रोफेशनल सेटअप्स में काम किया है, दे आर कमिंग बैक टू कश्मीर, दे आर ओपनिंग देयर वेंचर्स हेयर। और जो वहाँ की एक्सपीरियंस है, वहाँ की नॉलेज है, वो यहाँ पे ला रहे हैं। दे आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू डिस्टर्ब द मार्केट। सो अरीब इज देयर विद मी एंड ही इज द फाउंडर ऑफ रियल्टर, अ ब्रिलियंट स्टार्टअप। और अरीब से जानेंगे इसकी ज़बानी कि एग्ज़ैक्टली रियल्टर है क्या? इसका विज़न क्या है? और थोड़ा-सा अपनी जर्नी के बारे में आप हमारी ऑडियंस को बताएँ। तो वेलकम अरीब।
शुक्रिया यहाँ बुलाने के लिए। इट्स ग्लैड दैट आई एम हियर टुडे। बट एज़ यू सेड आई हैव टू बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक। आई विल बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक इन टर्म्स ऑफ माय पॉइंट्स। जैसे आपने बोला मेरा विज़न कश्मीरी रिलेटेड आया कहाँ से? अरीब है कौन? और अरीब का ये नाम कहाँ से आया? इट वाज़ ऑल बैक जस्ट अ ड्रीम व्हिच वाज़ अ यंग बॉय डूइंग लॉट ऑफ बिज़नेसेस इन कश्मीर which failed not because of his own things, but it failed because of many challenges, crises which came to us. 2016, 2018, COVID, all these times I used to have my own startups where I was doing MBA back then, and all got in vain. Even it was not small companies, it was a private limited company. One of my companies was in Mumbai. I was heading that company by the name of N3 Matrix, which was into custom software development. But I had a good history back then in businesses. But then eventually, when everything failed in COVID, I made a move to Dubai. And that is the time it was into real estate. I got to know what is real estate. तब तक ये था कि मैं अभी एक ज़मीन लूँ, फिर उसको बेचूँ, उसमें थोड़ा इन्वेस्ट करूँ, दैट वाज़ द प्लान। But then I got into this game and I got to know that this is a बिज़नेस व्हिच कैन गिव यू फॉर्च्यून्स बिकॉज़ तब यंग थे, बाल सफ़ेद नहीं हो गए थे,
हुँ, हुँ।
बाल काले ही थे तब। बट इट वाज़ फॉर द जैसे आपने बोला लग्ज़री गाड़ियाँ, lavish लाइफ़ उसके लिए किया था रियल एस्टेट जॉइन बट व्हेन आई गॉट इंटू इट, आई गॉट टू लर्न एंड अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह फॉर द अपॉर्च्युनिटीज़ आई गॉट इंटू दिस, इट वाज़ माय फेट व्हिच आई गॉट इंटू इट। आई डिड माय हार्ड वर्क बिकॉज़ आई यूज्ड टू एज़ यू सेड 9 टू 6 आप जॉब करते थे। मेरा डे सुबह 8:30 बजे स्टार्ट होता था एंड इट यूज्ड टू गो टू 9-10 बिकॉज़ इन रियल एस्टेट वी हैव टू मीट पीपल इन ऑन देयर ओन कन्वीनियंस क्योंकि जो रियल एस्टेट लेगा वो एक आम इंसान नहीं होता, उसके पास एक वर्थ होती है। लेट्स से इन कश्मीर 1 करोड़, 1.5 करोड़ की तो वर्थ रहेगी उनकी। Those people have their own timings and they work on those schedule. They don't want to meet in the weekdays because they have their own business to run. So it was hard work, which I started from there, and then I came to a name of Kashmiri Realtor because I came to Kashmir. कश्मीर आके मैंने यहाँ पे एक वेडिंग के लिए आया था because I used to come after doing good deals, good money. I used to come back to Kashmir and spend a lot of time here with my loved ones. So I got a idea with my friend. He said, "Ki, why don't you join Kashmir and why don't you do real estate here? Because there are big people." He named a lot of brokers here, which have a good name in terms of money, but not in terms of their karam.
कर्म ही खराब है।
Uh, then I got into a name by the name of Kashmiri Realtor. Realtor means somebody who takes takes care of your real estate
Mhm.
things. So kashir par dral. So Kashmiri is kosher. So osus buddu bismas kosher dral. I used to get in touch with people who were from
But
Kashmir.
I want to ask you here, sorry to cut you. Now, Dubai is a huge infrastructure market.
It is.
वहाँ पे जो real estate होते हैं, brokers, agents, they do wonders. And a lot of money is there. अच्छा खासा कमाते हैं. In fact, in Bangalore or any other metropolitan city in India, infrastructure is on boom. A lot of opportunities are there. But what made you, come back into a place like Kashmir जहाँ पे infrastructure अभी उतना boom पे नहीं है तो development नहीं है. Do you see potential here कि it can work?
See, I will say Kashmir is a market of untapped potential. So we have to create a lot of opportunities here because it's untapped. किसी ने कभी using कभी real estate यहाँ पे सिर्फ it's like somebody who cannot do anything can do real estate here, right? So it's not like that. It is a big business, and I thought in Kashmir it was missing. So that's why I came to back. It was not because of a potential, but yes, there was one tip I got from my mentor, and he told me that there is something big happening in Kashmir. Go and have a look at Kashmir. And I was amazed that Aknebrium, जो एक बड़ी कंपनी का मालिक था, वो मुझे बोल रहा है कश्मीर जाके रियल एस्टेट देखो. And it was a big thing for me. When I came back, it was Emaar, which is
Okay.
coming in Sempora. And with that, I got to know of a lot of people who are into real estate already. They are doing it under the cover because there are many challenges in Kashmir. But yes, there are big people who are into this business as well. So that was a point I made in my mind that I want to do something here. I wanted to take that company to Kashmir, but my owner has asked me the first question when I joined his company was, "Why you want to join me?" I told him I want to do something for Kashmir. I
Mhm.
want to because all the startups I had, it was always centered to Kashmir. Man, it was a Mumbai की जो e-matrix company थे. I had 45 people from Kashmir, which were accommodated in Mumbai, but due to COVID, everything went in vain. But Alhamdulillah, all those people who have worked with me back then are doing wonders right now because they got a good exposure.
Mhm.
I will tell you one story, a short story. It was an iOS developer because back then तब Flutter नहीं था, तब Android अलग होता था, web iOS अलग होता था, website अलग होती थी. So there were three different teams. One of the guys who was an iOS intern here with Fastbeat with Abid, he wanted to move out because iOS का यहाँ पे उतना concept नहीं था. People were not into that apps that time. So I had a contract with Indian Railways. So I wanted to do it. So it was on the call because यहाँ पे तब 2018 का article चल रहा था. It was a pain for the people here. Net नहीं था. So for a developer, it was a challenge. But he wanted to move out and see wonders. And now the same guy is heading a big company and he is working at a very high level. And I feel proud because he was a Kashmiri who was doing a data entry here. He was
Mhm.
not a developer here. He was doing a data entry because opportunity नहीं थी उसके पास. But that was my main aim. But अब चलो तब आईटी का बूम था, अभी भी है, but उतना नहीं है. But I think real estate is a big business which can do wonders for Kashmir. So that's why I started this.
So Arif, it's always about the money because आप इतना effort डाल रहे हो तो you obviously want to make some money out of it. Now tell us about the Kashmiri real estate market. कैसा है? Is it only about zameen, or things have changed here? Like people are also investing in properties.
See, to us, Zameen was to have an inheritance back then, but now it's a tool of investment for
Mhm.
people. I will tell you, I have met all the Gen Zs or the people who are right now on our age. They doesn't want to take a land just for an investment. कि पगार रोज में ये
Mm.
Pangan Bachan Khatra, but they want to do something on this, either agriculture income or either tourism income. So they want to do something on that. So when I say in Kashmir, it's not only land, it's a lot of opportunities here now because people are investing in commercial properties as well as many big MNCs are coming to Kashmir. I have closed Domino's here. I have closed Delhi France here. So big companies are coming to Kashmir, which they want commercial properties, but it has been land always, but it is still changing. People have moved to flats. Now people have invested. There are almost thousands of inventory of Arco flats, which they have sold it off. So people have taken it and rental incomes are coming from that. People are buying it or people are renting it out right now because that is a need of an hour. Because if we see when we go into a nuclear families, because that's changing in Kashmir, everybody wants a own kitchen. That's how it's working. And at the same time, we doesn't want to invest so much in properties because a house here will cost you somewhere around 70 to 80 lakhs. That's a huge money, right? If a new wedding couple wants to go out, they have an option of renting now, which was not there in Kashmir. It's just I'm going to makan kansi dewan. Ya panun
Correct.
makan is panas khatir banawan. कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं इस मकान को इसलिए बनाऊँगा सो कि कोई वहाँ पे रहे। But
वुंकैंचे फ्लैट सिस्टम छा गोमुत स्टार्ट?
yes, it
Like which
started
are the
start.
hot areas like where you can rent a flat?
See, I will tell you there are big opportunities coming to Kashmir, which is that's what it's coming towards HMT.
Mm,
That's an area which is getting developed. There are a potential of flats. See, potential of flats is always there where the land prices are going up. People
mm,
cannot afford to buy a land there. And if we see HMT, it has drastically changed from last 5 years. It
correct.
was something which people doesn't want to go to that side, but now it's a hot spot because of the connectivity.
You have to be very careful. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए इस पॉडकास्ट के बाद लैंड्स की प्राइस अप हो जाएंगी.
See, if I say that it's always demand, right? I don't say कि मैं हवा में बेचता हूँ. I sell real things. So if demand is there, तो प्राइस तो बढ़ेगा ही.
बिल्कुल.
ये ऐसा नहीं कि मैं बोलूँगा नर्स जैथस खोलो प्राइस तो प्राइस घट. That is it will not work that way. And as I said, बाहर के इन्वेस्ट यहाँ पे बहुत सारे notions है. इतना नेबरिम इतना करीब prices up. That's not the thing. यहाँ पे कुछ developments आई. If you say AIMS Kashmir is there, हमें यहाँ से पहले दिल्ली जाना पड़ता था AIMS खतर. मतलब AIMS اوس اَسہِ خٲطرٕ اکھ سُہ ہسپتال یُس لاسٹ خۄداے سُنٛد پتہٕ اوس سُے ٲسۍ just giving but and that now is in Kashmir and I tell you when I meet people a layman they say ये AIMS چھا کٔشیٖر آمُت and that is a मतलब मेरे लिए मतलब भाई फिर लोगों को awareness ही नहीं है.
Yeah, I heard somewhere, I don't know if this is true or not, उसके लिए माफ़ी चाहूँगा. Someone told me कि जो कश्मीर है यहाँ पे सबसे एक्सपेंसिव लैंड मिलता है. एंड देयर आर प्लेसेस इन कश्मीर, अब जहाँ वहाँ पे लैंड की बोली मतलब ये यू कैन नॉट डिसाइड अ प्राइस देयर. दोज पीसेस ऑफ लैंड्स आर प्राइसलेस
Okay.
इन अ वे कि आप उस पे बोली लगती है.
Right.
अगर किसी के पास पीस ऑफ लैंड है तो फॉर एग्जांपल इट्स इन सनत नगर, वहाँ पे लैंड अवेलेबल नहीं है, वहाँ पे अच्छी खासी डेवलपमेंट हो गई है, होटल
Right.
प्रॉपर्टीज आर कमिंग, तो पीपल आर नॉट डिसाइडिंग ए प्राइस देयर. वहाँ पे सीधे बोलते हैं आप कितना पे कर सकते हो.
Right.
इज दैट ट्रू?
I will say it's a broker who sets the price. Okay.
ओके.
And that because broker knows what is happening in the market. And if you're talking about Sanat Nagar, that's an uptown. When we say posh or a highly dense or HNIs, where they live in Kashmir, it's Sanat Nagar. That is the only reason it has gone up. Apart from that, Achupurki National Highway 1, that is the connectivity there. And when you have to come to Lal Chowk, you have one flyover. That infrastructure is built there. But when I see really, is Sanat Nagar the right hotspot for the people? But I will say no.
ओके.
Because all these things are towards the north side, not towards that side. So it is because of there are big HNIs living. Like I will tell you one example in Bangalore, right next to the owner of IBM. Okay, somebody bought a plot a size of 2400 تِم گٔے لگ بگ 9 مرلہٕ. He bought it at a price of 67 crores just to be a neighbor of Murthy. I don't know, IBM owner or name ends with Murthy. So he is one of the
नारायण मूर्ति,
Narayan Murthy.
इन्फोसिस से.
So yeah, that's the craze. So same thing is happening in Sadat Nagar. But when we quote something in the market, there are not buyers like that.
अभी जहाँ कश्मीर में लोगों को घर बनाने के लिए ज़मीन खरीदनी चाहिए, विच इज़ द एरिया विच यू सजेस्ट कि आप वहाँ पे आप स्टार्ट करो लैंड खरीदना?
I will say buy something which is futuristic. That is a development. کیٛازِکہِ کٔشیٖرِ منٛز چھُنہٕ اَسہِ gated developments کینٛہہ because gated developments are planned developments. It has everything in it for next 10 years, next 20 years. If we see all the colonies we have जहाँ पे अच्छा चलो लाल बाजार की हम बात लेते हैं या मेरे घर से निशात से बात करो, we have गली कोचा of what 14 feet at max. क्योंकि लोगों को पता था कि ज़मीन छ सोरे कینٛہہ अगर ज़्यादा ज़मीन दिमो it will be a challenge. But the gated societies are coming with a plan कि जहाँ पे कल को आपको परमिशन मिलेगी. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे लोग मिलते हैं, हमें परमिशन नहीं मिलती है. That is because the rulings for the land is not given that way.
Okay, one more question, which I want to ask you since you have been working abroad for quite some time. So what was the cultural shock, you faced here after, coming from outside?
See, in culture, I will tell you when I came from the first move was back in November last year. So when I came here, I just met a lot of people who were into interiors because I have to set up my own office. And I got to know the professionalism lacks here. I have a policy to pay advance because that is an incentive. I have worked in sales. I know how advances work. When you have a check in your hand, you start working here and there. But in Kashmir, people doesn't give a damn about a client. They give a damn that ये मेरे पास आया, ये मेरा नौकर है, not a client. So the culture here is totally different.
You mean to say professionalism काफ़ी lack करते हैं
Like
लोग यहाँ के?
that is the first thing which is there, professionalism in terms of people know everything, okay, but when we see on ground, they're not able to execute it. They know a lot of things. I have seen the people who are into mechanical or maybe in electrical works, they are doing wonders. They know a lot more than an electrical engineer. But when we go to them, they have an alag, so एक level है उनकी कि भाई मेरे को है, तू मेरे पास आया है,
मतलब basically how to conduct yourself
right?
is lacking.
Yeah, and then when you have something in your mind, you have to give it to the people and you have to start a company like you have started. So you know something very well, but you need a business now because you know that you cannot cater all the people, right? You have to get into business now. So आप आगे आगे देते हो, मगर यहाँ पे कश्मीर में वो है नहीं. इधर अगर मैं छी मैं थाउन because I have come across many people who tell me चाहे चुक त्रावानी है मगर यह ब्याह ती करत. I always prefer please करो.
And there's a notion someone, और ये होता भी है जब कश्मीर में कोई इंसान या an individual starts something, so people start copying him. But like I said, आज तक you started something very nice about real estate, very professional, very organized, and there will be 10 people looking at you and they will see कि यार इसको तो success मिल गई शायद
मुझे भी मिलेगी.
मुझे भी मिलेगी, and they start copying and starting setting up those business, but it is not like that.
I agree.
जो जिसका skill होता है, जो जिस चीज़ में माहिर होता है, तो उसका वो स्किल और उसकी महारत कोई नहीं छीन सकता है,
Agree.
सो इट इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट कि जो हमारे पास स्किल है, जो एजुकेशन है या जो हम करना चाहते हैं, हमें वही करना चाहिए, किसी को कॉपी नहीं करना चाहिए.
Agree.
नाउ कमिंग बैक टू प्रोफेशनल, यू ओ अ कंपनी, यू हैव एम्प्लॉइज देयर, यू हैव रियल एस्टेट एजेंट्स. अगर हम कश्मीर का जो ट्रेडिशनल वे या ब्रालस ना, इट्स वेरी अनऑर्गनाइज हम क्या मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर लॉट ऑफ वेज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेसेस. तो अख वे कि ژٕ چھُکھ پنٛنِس کلاینٹَس نِش گژھان, سُہ چھُ یِوان کران زٔمیٖنَس یا پراپرٹی قۭمَتھ فار ایگزامپل 40 lakhs. ٹھیٖک, سُہ چھُ وَنان مےٚ دِ ژٕ پَنٕنۍ 40 لَچھ رۄپیہِ, rest I don't care. तो द्राल क्या करता है, वही प्रॉपर्टी ही कैन रेज अप द प्राइस अप टू 50 60 जो भी, एंड ही कैन मेक दैट मनी. सो एक रुपये 20 लक्ष 10 लक्ष पेट जीनित. नो हाउ डज योर मॉडल वर्क, आपके क्या मॉडल्स है, हाउ you structure your sales, is it same कि if you're doing a sale you should say गच्छान brokerage या commission या commission charges पे आप काम करते हो, how does it actually work, just explain to us.
So, as being outside, I have two models over here. The first model was, as I said, the Kashmiri Realtor is a legacy which I want to build here. I don't want to make money here. I want to give it back to people. I started a commission model of 50, 70, and 90% of the total revenue which is coming to the company. But when I see Kashmir here, we
Like
try to
50.
50, 70, and 90% of the total revenue. It's from the company.
Okay.
So whatever comes to the table. So that is, I will tell you how we make money first for the company. So from the seller side, see, this is very standard in the market. From the seller side, there's a 2%. Whatever amount he sells at, na कि मैं उसके यूता तक पैट अनसु पानुन. It will
For example अगर 10 रुपये ची चीज़ ना 2 रुपये थी तो
no 2%, not 20%.
oh sorry.
और वो 100 रुपए की चीज भेज रहा है, मैं 2 रुपए रख रहा हूँ
हाँ ठीक है.
because I am providing him a value to that.
Correct,
I'm
correct.
adding a lot of services into it. Seller side से हम services क्या देते हैं? We take the property, we do the snagging, we take a detailed report of the project. Apart from that, we do have attorneys with us, which do a proper verified check, which give a legal check report for that property, which is a very good solid.
This
जब
is
हम
way how it happens in Dubai.
exactly.
Uh,
So yeah, as I said, मैं बाहर से यहाँ चीजें लाती है.
snagging all that
Agree.
stuff.
So once that is with us, then we get into marketing for the seller. We do a proper shoot, or let's say we do a proper uh, detailed report on that project so that we can sell it. And then after that, we get into site visits. We help the seller with the site visits. उनको site visit खुद करनी नहीं है. It will be a dedicated agent who will do site visits on behalf of him. Apart from that, and the owner has to come, even though negotiations are done by the brokers itself, and then owner has to come to just say yes or no at the end of the negotiation. And once that happens, after that, there's a lot of detailing paperwork to be done, which is done by the broker itself. So that's from the seller side. From the buyer side, we help a buyer to find a right property in the market because we have a lot of inventories already with us as a broker. We have a network of, let's say, 20 plus trained brokers which are associated with us. Apart from that, there are local brokers also. एक चीज उनमें नहीं है, चलो प्रोफेशनलिज्म नहीं है, knowledge नहीं है, but they do it ethically. Okay, so we have associated with them also. So they are our extended partners, we can say. So then they go with them, and with the buyer they help with the negotiation because buyer side से भी negotiation होनी चाहिए. They go with the facts, नहीं भाई ये इतना प्राइस पे नहीं होगा, ये इतने प्राइस पे होगा. ये सिर्फ हवा में नहीं बोलते, वो with market trend बोलते हैं, मार्केट में क्या चल रहा है. so that they have to support the buyer. So in my company, there are two brokers which are involved on the seller side and the buyer side. It's not only a one broker who will be on both the sides. चाहे एक बनित वही चाहे एक judge बनित.
Okay.
So yeah, that is there because he has to be on. He has to support his client. Either he's a seller or a buyer. Then he can get that commission of 1% or 2%. When it comes to us, this is resale or let's say the purchase and buying. When we say rentals, we have a standard a month of a rental what we charge. And when we say lease, because we have done Domino's, we have done big, as I said, big people here. So we take a commission of 4 to 6% of the total lease tenure. That's
Okay.
how we work. So everything comes to the company. Then from the company, we have the broker model. That is for the brokers who are involved in this. Either they can take the 50% cut, 70% cut, or the 90% cut of the whole deal, depending on the slabs.
It's really good to know about your business, how it works, what are the models. But साथ I need to understand, as a business owner, where you see Realtor. Do you see it as a brokerage firm, or you want to expand into building stuff as a builder?
So as I said, we are already started a project here in Leftpora because I think Leftpora is a hotspot gonna be in Kashmir because it's a realtor's job to find a place which is gonna be a futuristic. When I say futuristic, something where you can invest the money right now and you can flip within 3 years with a double. तो वो जगह ढूँढनी पड़ती है। उस जगह को मैंने पूरा अभी
मतलब
सेट किया है।
पैसे का खेल है बाबू भैया.
सी आई विल नॉट से पैसे का ही खेल है बट इट टोटली
There's
डिपेंड्स
no
अबाउट
shame in making money.
राइट
If you're starting something, you're, running a business, so of course you want to make money.
बिकॉज़ आई हैव एक्सपेंसेस।
Yes, true. You have to cover those costs. And sorry, I interrupted.
Okay,
Coming
so
back to your.
Leftpura is
Uh,
the spot where we have started a project. It is a plotted development because it is a new hub in terms of the connectivity where Ring Road is coming up, Galandhar के पास. You have AIMS Kashmir because AIMS के इर्द-गिर्द सारा denotified land है. वहाँ पे जो लोग काम करेंगे, it will be 50-50, 50 from Kashmir, 50 from outside. वो gated
what,
societies prefer करेंगे. The doctors who will be working there.
actually, what is notified land?
A notified land is something government says that we cannot construct, we cannot build here. That
Okay.
has been banned for the construction or for anything. It can be of numerous reasons. Like Ring Road के इर्द गिर्द 500 मीटर आप नहीं बना सकते हो.
Okay.
It's you cannot construct. If you see National Highway 44 all the way from Panchhok till Lethpura, right, left, सब दान ज़मीन
Yeah,
है.
correct.
Otherwise, when we see out, there are big infrastructures on highway itself. ये because that's denotified. You cannot construct, you cannot get the permissions. So I have found this place which is of 70 canals there. I am developing it, making a 20 feet road there, like a nice development I am creating, and it's a box price of 50 lakhs. So I think the new generations or the new couples which are wanted to invest, it is a right hotspot for them because there are loan facilities also available. अब यहाँ पे लोग बोलेंगे वनज शुक्रान, हिब्बा, रिब्बा एंड देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स
Mm,
और मैं ऐसी चीज़ बोलूँगा कि ये मैं कोई सिन कर रहा हूँ, यू आर लुकिंग एट माय सिन बट यू आर नॉट लुकिंग एट योर ओन सिन्स,
mm,
right? So
correct.
it is that, but it is a leverage in real estate. If you're not involving bank into it, then you're not leveraging your potential. And it is only asset. अब गोल्ड ले लो या कुछ और ले लो, वहाँ पे कोई लोन नहीं देगा. अब स्टॉक्स ले लो, कोई लोन नहीं देगा. बट दिस इज द एसेट वेयर बैंक विल बी हाँ भाई आपके साथ है बिकॉज यू विल लेवरेज द फर्म. Simple calculation है. Just I'm taking a lot of
Mm,
detailing into this. The simple calculation is 1 crore की प्रॉपर्टी में आपको 20% इन्वेस्ट करना है. That's 20 lakhs. Let's say 80 lakhs will be given to you by the bank. You can pay EMIs for next 3 years, wherein the price of 1 crore can go to 2 crores. That means on EMI of 20 लाख, 20 के 40 लाख, 40 लाख पे आप 2 करोड़ बना रहे हो. Rest you pay to the bank and you can make a lot of money. That's how real estate works.
So, as per your experience, working here in Kashmir market, what are those 2, 3 challenges, which are there in buying and selling properties?
So when I say the challenges, the first thing is the trust. That is a big challenge from the both the sides. It's like people are selling a lot of things in the market, but they are looking at various verticals in terms of जब मैं बेचने जाऊंगा, हो क्या हुआ, नहीं क्या हुआ, it's on the seller side. From the buyer side, it's always the documentation. That's the first thing. Second thing, buyer thinks yoch kunam drog, seller thinks yoch mamlan kam. So it's always that is the challenge in Kashmir because there is no standard prices here. If I say in Bangalore, we used to know where and what we are selling at what price, what is the market rate because there were many developers. एक डेवलपर ही सेट करता है एक प्राइस को। It cannot be an individual. मश पनुन मकान कोनुन बकन 5 लछन। मगर एतन अक डेवलपमेंट आस अक बिल्डर आस क्या बनोमुत इमस प्राइस सेट कोरमुत। So price starts from there. But in Kashmir it doesn't go like that way. It goes like अगर मैं इंटीरियर च असल कोरमुत या मैं च बोर्ड बनोमुत and I will charge anything and people have to pay. That is a challenge there. And then it's a documentation is a very main thing. I just came to a person. He wanted to invest almost a 5 crore of an investment into the real estate. But ak challenge was temis on meo dosi ak cousin. Temis hos zameen. Temis mile kakat te.
Hmm.
Magar kakat mile pat lejes pa yimostin kakat sahi.
Okay.
किहिन एंड दैट इज़ ऑल्सो अ चैलेंज देयर क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो नेग्लिजेंस ऑफ गवर्नमेंट है व्हिच इज़ वेरी इन रियल एस्टेट सेक्टर में बहुत कम है। अदरवाइज़ गवर्नमेंट कुड हैव मेड अ लॉट ऑफ मनी इन स्टैम्प ड्यूटीज़ लाइक मैं बोलूँगा बैंगलोर की बात बोलूँगा। बैंगलोर वाज़ रनिंग ऑन रियल एस्टेट। इट वाज़ अर्निंग अ ह्यूज ऑफ taxes from stamp duties, from the seller side, GSTs, and they were making a lot of money. But in Kashmir, our government, I don't know why they are sleeping onto it. I think they have to start something
But
there.
that's a problem. As question khatre let government sleep. And one more
बट
thing,
दैट्स ऑल्सो अ
uh,
चैलेंज अगर गवर्नमेंट स्लीप हो गई हमारे लिए एज अ कॉमन मैन सर आपकी डॉक्यूमेंट्स आपको पता भी नहीं होंगे वो किसी पटवारी ने
yeah,
कहीं पे कर दिए होंगे।
but that's obvious. But as a real estate professional firm, when it comes to brokerage, it is your responsibility to take care of
एग्री
those things. इसीलिए तो आपके पास हम लोग आ रहे हैं.
राइट
Rather than going to someone जिस पे आप भरोसा नहीं कर सकते.
राइट
दूसरी चीज़ मैं समझना चाहता हूँ कि क्या अभी भी कश्मीर में जो रियल एस्टेट जब हम बात करते हैं पीपल आर इन्वेस्टिंग ड्यू टू इमोशन और एज एन इन्वेस्टमेंट अगर हम इमोशन की बात करें जैसे आपने पहले भी कहा कि मैं ज़मीन था पाकन पन्न शुरन खतर हेत अगर मैं क्या गो तो पत तम क्या कर और इट इज समथिंग लाइक मे ज़मीन हेन तो आई वांट टू मेक एन इन्वेस्टमेंट आई वांट टू बिल्ड अ कॉम्प्लेक्स आई वांट टू बिल्ड अ something commercial which can
फैक्ट
give me a source of income. So what is the perspective right now?
द न्यू जेंजीज आर देयर
Gen Z ma छ पोंस बेचारे.
बस देखो रियल एस्टेट एक दिन में चेंज नहीं होगा।
Okay.
अभी के लोगों को मैं अपने बाप को नहीं समझा पा रहा हूँ मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ। When I came to Kashmir, I do have a nice 19-20 suits, alhamdulillah. When I came to Kashmir, my neighbors were like, so उसको से क्या दराज़ कराया था? बहुत उसने नेबरत दराज़ करा।
Suit Waltra.
ठीक है? Then it was a challenge for me. So it is basically ROI, which is right now a new notion, not a new notion, but an exact notion which should be for real estate. कि मेरे को कोई ज़मीन लेनी है या कोई भी चीज़ लेनी है, it should return me in ROIs. ये इसमें वही रिटर्न्स जो नहीं इसमें कैपिटल एप्रिसिएशन ही होती है उनकी कैपिटल एप्रिसिएशन तो होगी उसके बाद क्या मिलेगा? एग्रीकल्चर इनकम मिल रही है या रेंटल इनकम मिल रही है, ऐसा कुछ मेरे को मिलना चाहिए। दैट्स द न्यू जनरेशन व्हाट दे आर गोइंग एंड रियल एस्टेट इंसान मोस्टली बिज़नेसमैन्स क्यों लेता है? टू हैव समथिंग ऑन देयर बैक एंड। कल को कुछ भी बिज़नेस में हुआ, दे कैन लिक्विडेट दैट एसेट एंड दे कैन ईज़िली टेक अ लॉट ऑफ मनी आउट ऑफ इट।
So coming back to Dubai or any other metropolitan cities, वहाँ पे एक चीज़ होती है कि builders क्या करते हैं, they start a proposal of building a property. इसमें 10 फ्लैट्स होंगे, 20 फ्लैट्स होंगे, एक मॉडल है. Then they start asking people to pre-purchase
राइट,
those properties.
राइट।
Is that system prevailing in Kashmir? Yeah, you have plans to get that system into Kashmir.
I have already started it with my project in Lethpora. It's called pre-investments or we call it as an EOI. That's
Correct.
called expression of interest. We take expression of interest from the people, just giving them a vision what's happening here. And they are the first people after escrow because हम जब कोई project बनाते हैं as a builder, we go for 50% of the bank, right? Once we acquire that much of money to run the flow or to pay the taxes or to pay the interest back to the bank, what we do is we start selling our projects. As I said, EOIs are the expression of interest where a builder looks for the fund or the investors, pre-investors जो कि अभी पैसा डालेंगे and once this development is ready, they can sell it off and they can make a lot of money into it. क्योंकि 3 साल में उस चीज़ का प्राइस भी बढ़ेगा और उसकी शेप भी आएगी। तब उसने एक आइडिया लिया था हाँ, मेरे को 10 वाले मंजिल में एक व्यू मिलेगा, उधर ऐसा होगा, वो उसने 5 लाख में लिया था, लेट्स से एग्ज़ाम्पल और जब वो बन गया, वो 10 लाख का वो बेच सकता है इवेंचुअली क्योंकि 3 साल में प्राइस अप भी होंगे। So in Kashmir, I am starting it with one of my projects in HMT itself, where I am looking for some local bodies as in departments, which will be helping me to get me the license for that. Once I start that, surely I will be the first person who will do this, inshallah, in Kashmir.
What about RERA? Is it in Kashmir? Has it made any difference?
When I say RERA, I was the person when I made a move. I was the first person who got a JK RERA license in
Okay.
terms of an agent. But when I see it on ground, back then it was online, मैंने एक online apply किया, यहाँ आया, but I see there are only 6-7 people who are into this from the government side. But 90% of the staff is in Jammu. They are not here to facilitate, but I can see Jammu में ये चल रहा है, but कश्मीर में अभी बहुत लेथार्जिक चल रहा है। लाइक वैसा जैसा होना चाहिए था वैसा हो नहीं रहा है। प्रोजेक्ट्स के रह नहीं है यहाँ पे, जो भी प्रोजेक्ट बना रहा है वो विदाउट रहा बना रहा है। तो दे हैव टू टेक अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स इनटू इट एंड इवेंचुअली they can make a money also because we have to pay for the licenses.
ग्रेट। I'll ask you a personal question. You know, see, I मुझे बड़ा शौक है कि मेरे पास एक लैंड हो जहाँ पे मैं फार्मिंग करूँ। मे बी 50 कनाल्स ऑफ लैंड, 100 कनाल्स ऑफ लैंड, ठीक है? घोड़े हो वहाँ पे, बतखे हो, यू नो दोज़ काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स। बट यहाँ पे आई डोंट थिंक, मतलब फॉर दिस वी नीड अ लीज़ लैंड। जैसे दुबई में होता है, अगर आपको कुछ फॉर एग्जांपल वाटर पार्क आपको खोलनी है, सो यू डोंट बाय लैंड, यू लीज़ लैंड फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट। तो अगर मेरे को आपके पास आना है, मेरे को यार लीज़ लैंड चाहिए, मुझे दिला दो 50 कनाल कहीं पे जहाँ पे मैं फार्मिंग कर सकूँ या कुछ एक वाटर पार्क खोल सकूँ। तो वो ऑप्शंस मुझे आपकी कंपनी के पास अगर मैं जाऊँगा वो मिलेगा? डू यू हैव दोज़ काइंड ऑफ?
Maybe in future but not at the moment because all the government lands are taken care of by the estate people.
ओके।
So अगर कोई भी आप लीज़ लैंड की बात कर रहे हो क्योंकि दुबई में इसलिए लीज़ होता है क्योंकि वहाँ पे किसी को ओनरशिप नहीं देते हैं।
हुँ।
बट वी कैन एज़ एन डोमिसाइल पीपल वी कैन गेट द ओनरशिप फॉर दैट फार्म हाउस या आप वैसा कुछ
लेकिन
बनाना
कश्मीर में
चाहते
भी
हो।
तो लीज़ लैंड है। देयर आर लॉट ऑफ होटल्स
बट
बिल्ट फॉर
इट्स विद द
99।
गवर्नमेंट।
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But as a broker, can you mediate or connect us, to these agencies so that we can, common people can also get land?
I don't think I will be a right fit for that,
Okay.
as I said, because it's a government thing, and for me to get into a government is a big challenge,
Mhm.
and because they have their own settings, that's
Mhm.
how they work. So in that, I don't think I can help you, but I can help you with an idea. आप कहाँ बना सकते हो, क्यों बना सकते हो और कैसा बना सकते हो? Because I know the market, कहाँ क्या चलेगा, कौन से इलाके में चलेगा, that
हुँ।
I can help you with an idea, but not with the land.
तो आज का मुझे नोशन बताइए कि आप मार्केट में हो, लोगों से बात करते हो, यू मीट लॉट ऑफ यंग पीपल, यू आर योरसेल्फ माशाल्लाह यंग। तो व्हाट इज़ द नोशन, एक साइकी अबाउट इन्वेस्टिंग इन लैंड? जैसे हम लोग सोचते हैं कि वी हैव टू बाय लैंड, एंड जो हमारे पेरेंट्स सोचते हैं, व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस?
एज़ आई सेड कि इनहेरिटेंस लैंड होता था बट जो नई जनरेशन है हमारी वी वांट टू मेक मनी ऑन इन रियल एस्टेट सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ वेज वेयर पीपल आर कमिंग नोशन ये है कि नहीं भाई रियल एस्टेट में मैं इन्वेस्ट करता बट कहाँ इन्वेस्ट करूँ क्यों इन्वेस्ट करूँ और कैसे इन्वेस्ट करूँ अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ हसल इनटू इट बट एज अ ब्रोकर आई ऑलवेज टेल देम भाई ये हमारा काम है I am taking a service fees from you, and that's my job to do it. It's not that I'm taking a service fees just for like that. I'm taking it because I'm providing you a service. Let it be you are a seller or a buyer. So yeah, I think people as a new generation which are coming up or Gen Z, yeah, हमारी generation, millennial generations, we are taking it as an investment tool. हम एक जगह लेते हैं उसमें एक recurring income because everybody right now has a lot of expenses. बैक देन जो हमारे पापा थे, उनके उतने एक्सपेंसेस नहीं होते थे। उनको बस सेविंग्स अच्छी खासी होती थी क्योंकि उनके उतने एक्सपेंसेस तिम ٲسۍ फूड कोर्ट गژھان कینٛہہ तिम ٲسۍ मतलब देयर वर मेनी cultural changes also which has happened to us. So we have a lot of expenses to pay and for that we need something as a recurring income and we are taking a real estate as a tool apart from stocks, gold and other things.
अच्छा, मुझे एक चीज़ बताएँ, अब जैसे कश्मीर खुल रहा है फॉर आउटसाइडर्स टू बाय लैंड, so there can be opportunities for global investment.
If a
So how do you preserve the interest of local Kashmiris? आप कैसे इस चीज़ को रोक सकते हो?
see it
My personal opinion है, it's very biased. I believe that the land of Kashmir belongs to the people of Kashmir. I would never like, someone else who is not related to our culture or values, our traditions in any way, but plans to buy,
right?
land here. As a broker, it's totally against your interest.
No, it's not.
You would love to, sell. That is how the psyche of brokers work.
See,
So how you protect our interest?
as I said, when I came to Kashmir, the first reels or the first product shoots I made was in English. So it was people, the notion was that कि मैं बाहर के लोगों को बेच रहा हूँ कश्मीर. But I'm telling you, I'm telling everyone today that the notion is you have to have a domicile. अगर आपके पास domicile नहीं होगी, आप यहाँ पे नहीं ले सकते हो. So whatever the article के बाद जो हमारे notions दिमाग में आ गए कि कोई भी यहाँ पे ज़मीन ले सकता है, it will not be
डोमिसाइल तो कोई भी बनवा सकता है, इट्स इजी।
जब डोमिसाइल बन सकती है सर तो मुझे बेचने में क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
वो तो
मैं
प्रॉब्लम
उसको भेजूँगा जिसके पास डोमिसाइल होगी। इट्स लाइक एक किसी के पास लाइसेंस है, वो कोई भी ला सकता है। वो गाड़ी चलाएगा, ट्रैफिक कोड बनाए तेमिस चरनशिन लासन की हैं,
नहीं,
तेमिस
मेरे
लासन।
कहने का मतलब है अब कोई कोई बिहारी है,
हाँ,
ही हैज़ अ डोमिसाइल,
ओके।
ही डज़न्ट नो आवर लैंग्वेज, ही डज़न्ट नो आवर वैल्यूज़, कल्चर कुछ भी नहीं है। तो एज़ अ ब्रोकर यू विल सेल,
हुँ, हुँ। येस, आई विल।
बट एज़ अ कश्मीरी हाउ विल यू सेव योर लैंड?
If I say save, I always see. I will tell you very a good example. I was trying to close one of the deals with Domino's, which is an MNC over here, which were paying a good money to my landlord because he was renting that place. At the same time, I got a very good brand from the local brand, Kashirhund, which I wanted to close with him. So, but the competition was like this: there was a 1:2 ratio. And when I said to the landlord, "Janaab Sikhi has karak," because that's not me who will sell it, right?
हुँ,
Either way, I'm making the brokerage, or from the local or from the MNC. But the owner was like, "Nas bas kar zyada khata prefer." So it's not
हुँ।
me. It will never be me who will.
But don't you think tomorrow if such things happen,
Mhm,
the माशाल्लाह real estate business यहाँ पे grow करेगा, companies like yours will come up and there will be quite good opportunities for foreign investors to invest.
mhm,
क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स जो बड़े बिजनेस हाउसेस होते हैं या बड़ी कंपनीज होते हैं, वी कैन नॉट मैच दोज काइंड ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, जो वहाँ पे लोग जो रिच पीपल वो रिचनेस यहाँ पे आपको नहीं मिलेगी कश्मीर में, वो कभी मैच नहीं कर पाएंगे। तो दे विल हैव अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू टेक आवर लैंड्स, बाय आवर प्रॉपर्टीज, और जो एट द एंड जो लोकल कश्मीरी है ही वुड सफर।
okay.
So how as a Kashmiri, I'm asking you a personal, very personal question. As a Kashmiri, not as a broker, what would you do, to avoid such things here?
See, as I said, I was having a lot of opportunities to get a lot of foreign investors to Kashmir. And I say foreign investors, they are the big builders in India because I know all the owners. Like you talk about any big builder, I know the owner, he knows me. I could have pulled them in, but when I started the first development, it was on my own. My plan is basically to start something here in Kashmir. अगर मैं अकेला कितना करूँ? अगर मैं चाहूँ कोई डेवलपर यहाँ पे बनाऊँ, there are people who are taking land banks and then they are not able to develop it. Eventually they have a lot of money to develop it, but they are not. हम इसी साथ बोलेंगे बाहर के फॉरेन इन्वेस्टर्स, बड़े इन्वेस्टर्स है, do they come for just to have a loss? They have seen an opportunity, तो हमारे लिए भी तो एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है। We can also make money out of it. Not कि उस पैमाने पे बनाएँ, but we can do collectively. We can make some communities on that. एक
Mhm.
कम्युनिटी बनाई, एक फंड पूल किया and then invest it. But that's not happening. It's like कहान रमज़ गाँव. That is there. So it will never come on a broker. Till that time, it's the owner who wants to sell it. उसके बावजूद there's a government who is already giving to the people from out. Nobody is able to buy here. They're not able to crack that trend like टेंडर। सो ये बाहर के ही लोग आ रहे हैं जो लीज़ लैंड भी यहाँ से उठा के ले ले रहे हैं। ईएमआर केम फ्रॉम ऑल द वे फ्रॉम दुबई क्यों आया? यहाँ भी तो कोई मॉल बना सकता था। यहाँ पे तो हमारे पास अच्छे-अच्छे इतने बड़े-बड़े नाम से मॉल है, जो कि मॉल है नहीं। व्हेन वी गो आउट क्योंकि इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर वैसा नहीं है। अच्छे मैं उस सिटी मॉल उसमें एक्चुअली बूज़मुत आई केम टू इट वाज़ डीकैथलॉन सॉरी ये कोलंबिया था वहाँ पे नीचे। सो व्हेन आई वेंट देयर वाज़ नो एलिवेटर्स। आई हैव टू टेक द स्टेयरकेस। सो ये चैलेंज आएँगे। बाहर के लोग दे मेक श्योर कि जब वो कुछ बनाएँगे इन टर्म्स ऑफ कमर्शियल और इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेजिडेंशियल, दे विल मेक इन अ प्रॉपर वे। यहाँ पे कोई भी डेवलपमेंट देखो वो सही नहीं है। सो इवेंचुअली आई थिंक इट विल बी अ प्रॉफिट, इट विल बी बेस्ट फॉर द पीपल ऑफ बेस्ट इंटरेस्ट इन द कश्मीरी पीपल। अगर बाहर से 1-2 बंदे यहाँ आएँगे बिकॉज़ देयर विल बी अ कॉम्पिटिशन। यहाँ के लोगों को भी थोड़ा हेस आएगा कि हम कर क्या रहे हैं और हमें कहाँ जाना है। बिकॉज़ आई डोंट थिंक बिन मेनी बिग शॉट्स इन कश्मीर डज़न्ट हैव अ रियल एस्टेट पोर्टफोलियो। Doesn't
Mhm.
have. They have big
Correct.
names, but they don't have a realistic portfolio. Why? Don't they have money? They are making big hotels over here in Kashmir. Why aren't they making anything for the community? تَمہِ ساتہٕ گوٚو روزُن پتھ. یہِ پتہٕ نیٚبرِم کانٛہہ یی تَمہِ ساتہٕ گوٚو نہ حظ یہِ حظ آو وۄنۍ نیٚبرِم. So it is a biased thing. For my personal interest, I always check a domicile because there are a lot of people attracting with my face. تِم چھِ وَنان کانٛہہ سُہ آو کٔشیٖرِ منٛز شاید چھِ اَسے خٲطرٕ آمُت and they reach out. There are many in politics. There are many people which come to me and just say, "ژٕ ٲسۍ یِتھ کٔنۍ کران." I very much the first thing what I ask is a domicile if they want to buy it. But if they want to lease it, I really appreciate that because that will eventually create a lot of ecosystem here.
Mm.
इवेंचुअली बिकॉज़ बाहर की अगर कोई यहाँ पे लीज़ पे ले रहा है और यहाँ पे कोई बिज़नेस कर रहा है, वो बाहर से लोग नहीं लाएगा, वो यहीं से लोग लाएगा। चलो उसका रॉ मटेरियल बाहर से आएगा, चलो उसकी बाकी चीज़ें बाहर से आएँगी, पर लोग तो यहाँ के काम आएँगे। If he is doing a big development of let's say 20 flats, 30 flats or 100 flats, वो स्टार्ट होगा एक ट्रैक्टर से, वो स्टार्ट होगा एक ट्रक के ड्राइवर से, वो स्टार्ट होगा एक सैंड वाले से जो सैंड भेजेगा, जो ब्रिक्स भेजेगा, वो बाहर से तो नहीं लाएगा। वो अपनी डेवलपमेंट तो नहीं बनाएगा। सो इवेंचुअली इट विल बी विन-विन सिचुएशन फॉर कश्मीर आई थिंक।
So do you think real estate business can help youth get employed here?
वेरी मच बिकॉज़ एज़ आई सेड दिस इज़ अ सेक्टर रियल एस्टेट व्हिच बिल्ड्स जीडीपी फॉर अ कंट्री। सो फॉर अ कम्युनिटी इट विल इवेंचुअली डू बिकॉज़ यहाँ पे अगर मैं जब कश्मीर आया था द चैलेंज वाज़ पीपल वर नॉट विलिंग टू इन्वेस्ट बिकॉज़ द ब्रोकर्स आर फ्रॉड।
Mhm.
But when we see when this notion will change and the right brokers will come to the place and there are many people who will start investing, there will be a lot of buying and selling, right? So money will flow. It will not only be an opportunity in terms of the brokers or the people who are into brokerage business, but it will be eventually for everyone. नया मकान भी बन सकते हैं, उसमें जो लोग काम हो रहे हैं, उनके साथ काम होगा। आई विल टेल यू सिंपल एग्जांपल मैं मेरी एक छोटी-मोटी फर्म है जहाँ पे 20 लोग काम कर रहे हैं। उसके साथ-साथ आई कैन सी द एसोसिएशंस फ्रॉम द lawyer side, from the production side, from the back end teams. I have a lot of people who are involved in it, and they are earning a lot of money out of it.
So Arif Saab, you came back, you started your business, and there are a lot of Kashmiris spread across the globe, a lot of NRIs, our diaspora. So what would be your message, to those people who are into real estate business, to come back to Kashmir and invest here? Is it the right time?
This is a high time, not a right time, but this is a high time. See, Imal, I'll tell you one thing. When I came to Kashmir, it was, as I said, I wanted to buy something. So that time, तम उसमें NRI में बाना कि दुबई
Mm.
में मिलान citizenship किया मगर कोई हदा सा उसमें नेबरिम यस नेबर कश्मीर नेबर when I came back to Kashmir I see a lot of challenges here but I think that challenges are gone now and people who are investing in metropolitan cities or in Dubai itself they should liquidate that money and they should come back. I think like it is a high time because I have worked in Bangalore market, I have worked in Dubai market. I think it's a saturated now.
But do you see potential here?
It's a lot of potential. इमाद भाई लाइक अगर हम देखेंगे प्राइस यहाँ पे ₹1000 पर स्क्वायर फीट है.
Mm.
When you go in Bangalore it starts with 9000. तो यू सी अ गैप. अभी आप बोल रहे थे कि हमारी ज़मीन महँगी है, नहीं है, कहाँ है महँगी? यहाँ पे आप अगर आप ज़मीन देखने जाओगे आपको 3 लाख रुपए में एक 5440 स्क्वायर फीट का एक प्लॉट मिल रहा है. व्हिच इज़ इन 3 lakhs. बाहर तो 3 लाख सिर्फ़ उनको मैं बता रजिस्ट्रेशन चार्ज ही दें. So there's a lot of potential here eventually because when real estate will be developed, एक कॉलोनीज़ बनेंगी, कमर्शियल बनेगा, लोग आएँगे because now we have seen अभी हम डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में देखेंगे in brain brokers, what they used to do is they used to sell within the communities, پنٛنِس
Mhm.
محلس منٛز because محلہٕ نٮ۪بر اوس نہٕ نیران. محلس منٛزٕے نہٕ حظ بہٕ حظ چھُس وۄنۍ یہِ ووٗمر کٔرمٕژ وۄنۍ چھِ مےٚ ییٚتھی زٔمیٖن ہیوٚن. نٮ۪بر اوس نہٕ نیران کینٛہہ but we can see people from Baramulla, people from let's say Anantnag are coming to Srinagar and from Srinagar people are going out. It's not because of the land which is there, it's because of the possibilities. تِم چھِ جابٕے کران Anantnag یِمن کَتہِ نی تِم Srinagar دۄہَے. So it is the shift is there which is happening and people are in there is a demand for rental properties, there is a demand for second home, there is a demand for luxurious properties, there is a demand for right communities. I will say yes, it's a high time for them to come back.
So Arif, as you mentioned home, so my last question would be, what does home mean to you as a investor, as a Kashmiri, as a builder, as Arif?
Garvane Garsaza Baranireniza, that has been always with me. But when I say home, it is something where we have the connections, we have the emotions, we have the peace, we have a commitment, we have somebody where we can lean at, we have somebody, we have a place where we can go back and can go anytime. Like Garo Chusuchi, as much as Kunti Satako, just the Kunti Hako Bihit. But when you're out, so it's totally different. But in Kashmir, home is something which is more often culture, more often relationships, more often peace. That's home.
Very well said. And lastly, I'll be ending this podcast and मैं ये कहूँगा कि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है when I see lot of young entrepreneurs coming here अपनी जॉब छोड़ते हैं जहाँ उनकी वेल सेटल्ड लाइफ होती है कश्मीर आते हैं यहाँ पे कुछ शुरू करने के लिए I love to see them. I see myself in them. I know all the struggles जो बाहर होती है और जब वो यहाँ पे एक होप लेके आते हैं कि दे वांट टू बिल्ड देयर ड्रीम्स, दे वांट टू बिल्ड देयर कंपनीज़। एज़ अ कश्मीरी वी शुड ऑलवेज़ सपोर्ट देम। इट इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट, वी शुड नॉट बी एनवियस ऑफ देम। हमें सपोर्ट करना चाहिए इन चीज़ों को, जो ये नई तब्दीलियाँ यहाँ पे ला रहे हैं। जो अपनी कंपनीज़ को बहुत ही प्रोफ़ेशनल वे में यहाँ पे स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं, व्हिच इज़ ग्रेट। And lastly, Arif, thanks a lot for being here. And I would now, tell you to give a very good sales pitch to our audience. If you want to buy lands, they want to invest in properties, you know, how could Realtor be a great firm for them?
I will say the people who are qualified, it should not be a Kashmiri realtor only, but people who are qualified, people who know real estate, you should surely invest with them because there are a lot of opportunities in Kashmir which is yet to be developed. So I think you can make a lot of money, but when you invest rightly with the right broker. And finally, I said all the people who have worked with me in Kashmiri Realtor who have left me and started their own, you can work with them as well because they are all my seeds. And I think main vision for my company is not to make a sales pitch, but to help people to make money here in Kashmir. And eventually, I will make money because I'm a broker. Thank you.